Last month, we have booked 27 calls for our client from mainly one YouTube video. Now, depending on your offer, this could actually mean you hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars in value. And we haven't even talked about the fact that this video is not a book 27 calls and it's over. This will book more and more sales calls as time goes by, like a 24/7 sales agent that is looking for qualified leads. But in this video, I won't talk about retention hacks or secrets that we use, but I will go through the principles of creating a video like this one. So it doesn't matter what the current trend is or what is going on YouTube or other platforms, you will still be able to create videos like this one that book you a ton of sales calls. So first, let's go to the board behind me. Okay, so what do you actually need for this to be successful? It's just two basic things. Number one is the offer, what you have to sell and what you are offering for money for these people. This is very important because you have to have something that is validated and you know it works. If you are just starting out and you don't have any proof that what you do is good or what you do is successful, it can still be possible to get leads from YouTube, but it will become so much easier when you already have success, when you already know what you are doing and you just have to have more eyeballs on it. So a validated offer with testimonials and people who went through it and have success is very important. Number two is basically your niche and what you are talking about, because YouTube is a mass platform. So this is something that 90% of people don't have to worry about, because your niche will be big enough where you have enough people to actually watch your videos and opt in as your leads. And no, dropshipping is not small. No, online business, cold email is not small. These things are not small. What I mean by small is, for example, a part of the supply chain. And if you talk about a niche specific part of the supply chain, there just won't be enough views or enough people who watch YouTube who are in that category and who are interested in your business. But by the way, you can make your videos seem much more broader market than it is if you make it right, but I will talk about that some other time. What we have to talk about though is the concept of sales video. These are videos that are not made for the big entertainment audience, that are not made for the masses. The goal of these videos is to talk to your ideal clients. And this is what we use on YouTube as small channels who don't go and try to get millions of views. We are trying to get fewer views, but those views have to be quality views. Those views have to be the people who we want to target, who has the potential to actually work with us. And this is the whole thing about sales videos. We are not entertainment YouTubers. We are YouTubers for people who want to learn, because YouTube is the best platform in this case. A lot of people go to TikTok and Instagram to just chill out, to just entertain themselves. And Instagram is good for lead generation, I'm not saying that, but for YouTube, a lot of people go to YouTube to learn stuff that is in their life that are currently problems. And if they see a video that solves a part of their problem or solve something that makes them feel better or achieve a goal that they have, then you will seem like as the guide, as the authority in that niche. If they come to YouTube searching for a solution in that part of their life, then find your video which helps them. They will see you as a great person for helping them in their problem. So for example, if you are teaching guitar, somebody wants to learn how to play the guitar. They don't know what to do, so they go on YouTube and they search how to play the guitar on YouTube. They will see a video from you which helps him to start playing the guitar. So he takes his guitar, watches your video, starts playing and actually achieves the results of playing a song. And now he's very happy because his whole goal was to learn how to play the guitar, and you just made him go through the first step by going from zero, not even knowing how to hold the guitar, to actually picking it up and playing some chords or playing some notes. And this is fantastic because right now that learner that sits down and watches your video and just learn from you wants to learn more, because their goal is to become great at the guitar. And now after watching your sales video, they might go through your links and sign up for something that is paid but will get them the results faster. And this is what you do with your service, by the way. Basically just make things happen faster. So basically this is what we want to do. We want to know who we are targeting, who are the people who are best suited for our programs or for our service. We have to know this, and you are a business owner, so you probably know this, who you like to work with. You know their problems, you know their desires and stuff like this, so you are creating them videos that help them go from zero to hero. And this is all thanks to you and your videos. If they see your videos and if they love your videos, they might want to go zero to hero even faster. So they won't just go through your videos, they will go through your program, which will help them get there faster. So just to show you the whole journey of all of this right here, and so you understand, we have the person here, right? And we have what they want here. This is where they want to get to. So what they do is go on YouTube and find one of your videos and just get closer to their goal. So they watch another video and they get even closer to their goal. So now they are like, okay, this is awesome, I want to get there faster. So they pay you the money, and now they have the program from you or have the service from you, and they are at their goal. And that's basically what is the role of the sales videos that we post on YouTube. So now let's go over the video that we actually created, which is how to find tech jobs with low competition in 2025. Basically, our offer was to help people find tech jobs, which sounds basic, but a lot of people overcomplicate this. So what I did is not just look for outliers, but also you have to find the little gaps in the content that is missing and the gaps that are good for our audience and our ideal clients want to learn about that, but there is no supply in videos. If somebody wants to learn the guitar, but there is no videos on the internet, if somebody uploads a video about learning the guitar, he will get a lot of views because there is a lot of demand for these type of videos, but there is not a lot of supply. And on the other hand, if we want to upload a dropshipping video, there is a lot of supply for these videos, and now the demand is getting less and less. So you have to be smart on how do you create these videos so you catch the attention and you fulfill the needs of your ideal clients, and you also get views. So when I was researching videos that talk about getting tech jobs, I found actually this video, which was an outlier for the channel, and also it's a very good packaging, and I really enjoyed this video. So I was like, okay, we have to dig in why this video worked and why others are not working the same, or if there are other videos that worked, for example this one, which is not the same topic, but you understand me, then I have to think about, okay, why did this actually happen? How can this video get much more views than these other videos? And basically we realized that people want to get a tech job and they understand how to get a tech job, but the job market in itself is so hard and so hard to find good high-paying jobs that like basic things won't really cut it here. You need to have little tips or little tricks that make it easier for you to find jobs. The mistake was for others that they just talked about topics and talked about tricks that were already known and wouldn't really make a difference. Why people know how to find jobs, they know and understand, but they just want to get advantage. And this video gave them like free tactics that gave them advantage to finding the jobs. Now that the idea was done and we know what we want to create, we just had to create the packaging first, and then we had to create a video. For the packaging, I knew I wanted to make and show the desired state of the audience. The thumbnails that we were inspired from and the thumbnails that we looked at were all clean, but what I really wanted to do is to show people the desired situation that they have. So if you check the thumbnails, they see, oh, developer gets 140,000 a year and engineer gets 200,000 for like a year, and people will start wondering like, I want these pay rates and I want to be a developer that gets 140,000. So what is this developer? Like, what developer gets this amount of money? What engineer gets this amount of money? So it's very interesting for them. And low competition tech jobs. This, we just wanted to make sure that people just look at it and understand this video is talking about low competition tech jobs that earn this amount of money, some kind of developer or some kind of engineer. And this makes them interested. Of course, the title, as you see, the inspiration which started our and my investigation was kind of similar in terms of the style of the thumbnail and the title, but we did our own spin on it, and we did our own things that we saw from comments and from other stuff, from interviews, that proved to us that this concept will do better, this concept will work better for us, right? And this is how we came up with this thumbnail, which worked out. So the video itself is pretty basic, and what we need to do is just get the hook right, and then the video and the tips, I knew they were valuable, so I wasn't afraid of not getting the people through the video. We just had to make them care. So they clicked, now we have to make them care, and now after they care, they will watch the video because they are struggling to find jobs, right? Intro for this was basically showing them this is the desired result and this is who we are, and the proof that we know what we are talking about, but also if you watch this video, this is where you will get, you know, as I showed you on the board, remember? This is where you are right now, but if you watch the video, this is where you will get. And this is very simple, but this is what we focused on when creating this intro, and it worked fabulously. And I'm going to be honest, this whole YouTube thing is a lot more about the actual idea and the actual topic than everything else. If you have a great idea and if you have a great topic that your ideal clients care about and they want to watch, then you have a winner. It doesn't matter what you do or what setup you have. If people want to watch that video and they watch that video, they will watch you for, this is just a 6.5 minute video, but we have usually longer videos, so they will watch you for 6 to 20 minutes, right? And they will start connecting with you, and they will start liking you and trusting you with information, and this will lead them clicking on your website, opting into your emails, watching your VSLs, and actually booking calls. Your offer is very important, because if you have a great offer, that means you have great knowledge, which means that you can create videos, and the worst part for you is not the actual value in the video, it's about how you package it, it's about what is the main idea and how do you hook people in, how do you make people care. But as a business owner, not a content creator, these things will be the hard part for you. Now, if you feel like you finally want to take your YouTube channel seriously and build a personal brand that actually attracts your ideal clients, then just look in the description and book a call, and I will check it out if YouTube is good for you and how can I help you if I can help you. And after I uploaded this video, for 1 week I will do something special. If you book a call, I will give you 1 free idea and 1 free thumbnail that you can go and execute on and see for yourself how it changes your YouTube channel and how it changes the lead generation from that social platform.